Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into your Elevate account. For that, first of all, you have to launch Elevate application on your device. Once the application is opened, you will see this interface. If you haven't created your account in Elevate, simply tap on Get Started. To log into your account, tap on Already a Member, Sign In option. Then, here you'll have 4 options to log into your account. You can either log in through Apple, Google, Facebook or email. For now, we are choosing Continue with Email option. Here, your login page has been opened. You just have to enter your email address at first. Then, enter your password. If you do not remember your password, then simply tap on Forgot Password option available there. At last, when you fill out both of the information correctly, simply tap on Login option. Then you will be successfully logged into your account. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.